Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. In this lecture, we are going to see how to set up code builder, in cloud. So you may get a doubt, okay, we have already set up code builder into our local machine. Then why again we need to set up code builder? So in order to set up code builder into your local machine, you need to have VS Code, and you need to add extensions, okay? AnyPoint code builder extensions. So without doing this, how we can set up? Okay, that's what we are going to see now. So in order to implement this one, so what you need to do, you need to log in into your AnyPoint platform account. Click on AnyPoint code builder, get started. So here you can see there is one launch button. Okay, there is one launch. So what you need to do, you need to click on launch. Suppose if it is disabled, okay, if it is disabled and you are trying to click on launch, there is one pop-up, it will come. There is one pop-up. So there you need to, what you need to do, you need to drag into the down, okay, you need to come down and you need to select one accept button. Okay, it's like terms and conditions. Okay, it's like terms and conditions. You need to select that. After that, you can able to see this launch button is enabled. Okay. Now, see here, there are two options. So we have already discussed about this one in the previous videos, how to set up AnyPoint code builder for desktop version. Okay. Now, AnyPoint code builder, this is for cloud. See this one, it will work in your local machine. Okay. So every time you need to carry your laptop, and suppose whatever it is there and whatever you are storing, some files or data, it will be stored in your local machine. Then it is going to Cloud Hub or something like that. But here, everything it is going to store in a cloud. Okay. This is depends. So which one is compatible for you, you can use the same. Okay. Now I'm going to explain how to work with AnyPoint code builder. So here, you no need to set up anything. Okay. Just observe here. Click on launch. Hi ViTech, we are preparing your Cloud IDE. See here, your Cloud IDE is ready to use. See, both are same only again. Okay, both are same only, but this will work in your local machine. This, it is going to work in anywhere. See, same VS Code options. Okay, if you observe this one, same VS Code. See, whatever the options it is available in VS Code, the same options it is available in Cloud also. Okay, Cloud IDE also. See, both are same, but it will work on internet, and wherever you want, you can open this. Okay. Now, just simply create one API. Let's see. So click on AnyPoint code builder, design an API. I'm going to keep it as VIT, welcome API. Okay, see the location. See, this is your project location. So automatically it is storing in home. Okay, home where it is school after 15. Okay, now if you want to change, you can change it. So here you can specify RAML language 1.0 create project. See here I didn't install any extensions. Automatically it is going to set up. Okay, automatically it is going to set up. So here whatever the extension it is required, you can manually you can install and you can update and you can delete. Okay, so a lot of options it is available. Okay, now here I want to create one sample API. Just observe the same way we need to give resource path. Okay, resource path, give 2 spaces at time. Okay, that is up to you. See, there is one more important thing. If you give control space, see control space. So what you need to provide? So the suggestions, for suggestions, control plus space, control plus space you need to press from a keyboard. Okay, so if you want to see auto suggestion, so you want to see some suggestions. Okay, what you need to type, you can go with control. See here you can use tab or 2 spaces and control space. See, if I give control space, it is going to give what type of method you need to select. Okay, get. Next again control space. See, responses. Now again control space. What is the status code? 200. See, I'm not typing anything. In the previous video, which we have written manually, here I'm not writing anything. Just see. Body, control space, application slash JSON, control space, example. So here you need to write. Okay. So what is the message? Hi, welcome to ViTech Talks. Okay. So here again, the same option it is available. API console. Click on this API console. Okay. Click on this API console. Click on get. If you want to try it, you can try. Click on send. See, hi, welcome to ViTech Talks. Now, I want to add some more. Okay, using AnyPoint code builder using ACB Cloud IDE. So what it will do automatically, it is going to save and click on try it and click on send. See how beauty it is. Now, this one is done. Okay. Now what we need to do, you need to publish into Exchange. So what you need to do? So either you can go with control plus shift plus P. Okay, control plus shift plus P. I'll write it here. So what is the option we can use? Control plus shift plus P. Okay, this one is the shortcut key. Okay, shortcut key. Or else what you can do, you can see here, there is one option. It's like 3 hyphens here. click on this menu button. So here you can see view command palette. Okay, Control Shift V. Even VS Code, we do have this option. Okay, command palette. The same way, see the same options only, but this will work in a cloud. Control Shift P. Type Mulesoft. Type publish. See, publish API specification to Exchange. Select the business group, ViTech. So what is the API name? ViTech Welcome API. What is the artifact ID? Same. The version, okay, enter the same. So if you observe here, it is going to publish. Publishing API specification to Exchange. Okay, let's see whether it is available or not. So it's not available. With Welcome API is not available so far. So it will take few seconds to publish. So once it is published, we can able to see here. So far we have two. One is sample API and one is test 5. Just see. So now we can see API specification successfully published into Exchange. Now we can go to Exchange and do refresh. So here you can see ViTech Welcome API. Even if you want to test here, you can do this. Okay. So I hope this you know already. Okay. Now, would you like to implement ViTech Welcome API? No. Okay. This is how we can create API specification. It's like design an API and publish into Exchange. So next video, we are going to see how to implement an API. Okay. How to create the flows, subflows. Okay. That kind of thing we are going to see in next video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.